Hello friends, in this lecture we will continue with sketch modeling and we will know about corner tool. So you can find this corner tool in the operation toolbar. Go to the right side of the command toolbar and you can find the corner tool. If I click on this arrow, you will find two options, corner and tangent arc. So if you can't find this command toolbar, you go to the view. So click on this view tab, click on toolbar. In the toolbar, you have to click on this operation. So make sure there is a check on this operation. So when I uncheck this, the operation toolbar will be hidden. So once again, I go to view, toolbar and click on this operation. Now to understand this command, I go to this file option, click on this file and go to open. From your project file, you need to open this file, that is corner. So click on this corner file and click on open. So in this file we have created a rectangle and we have a series of lines. And now I click on this corner tool and then corner. In the command toolbar we can find 6 options. The first one is trim all element. So for this we need to select 2 lines. These 2 lines should be adjacent to each other. It means these 2 lines should touch each other. So I go to this rectangle and select this first line. So let me zoom in onto this. Okay, select this first line and then select the second line. And then we can see the preview of an arc. So take the cursor inside this rectangle and we can see the arc. We can define this arc by its radius. So we can insert the value of radius from here. So I take this value 4, press enter. And then we can see it has created a fillet onto the corner. So once again I will select this corner option. And the next option we can see is trim first element. So basically what happened is trim all element. It has trimmed all the lines and all these lines are replaced by an arc. In the second option, trim first element, select the line and select the second line and then insert some radius. So we can drag this and I click here and now we can see it has trimmed the first line. So first line we have selected was this horizontal line and second line is the vertical. So it has trimmed the first line and second line is now trimmed. And now we can insert the value of radius. Just make a double click on this dimension and insert this value. So we can select this dimension as a radius or we can select this as a diameter. So generally arcs are specified by the radius. So I am specifying this by radius. Insert this value 4 and then click OK. And then once again I select this corner. So next option in this corner tool is no trim. So this time I will select this first line. So let me zoom in. I select this first line and this is the second line. And then insert the value of arc. So I'm selecting the radius, that is 2. Press enter. And this time we can see the line has not been trimmed. Okay, so we will continue with this arc tool. And this time let's go to this figure. Select this corner option. And I am selecting this option of no trim. Select this first line and the second line. And then place this dimension. And now we can see lines are not trimmed. So that is the advantage of different options. Once again I select this corner. Next option we can see is the standard line trim. So let's see what happens when we select this option. Select this option, select the first line and select the second line. And place the radius. So I am placing this inside. And now we can see the extended lines has been trimmed, but intersecting line has not been trimmed. So the lines that were extending, they are trimmed. Okay, so that is the difference of this tool. Next, I go to corner. Next option we can see is the construction line trim. So what happens in this option is that the extending lines will be converted into a construction or reference lines. So I select this option, select this first line and select the second line, and then place the radius. So I am placing this here, and now we can see the extending lines are now a construction line. We can see these lines in dot dots. So it means these are reference line and they are not a part of the sketch. So once again I go to corner option, and the last option we can see is construction line no trim. So as the name suggests, lines will be converted to construction line, but there will be no trim. Click on this option, select the first line, select the second line and place this arc, and now we can see the lines have not been trimmed, but they have been converted into a construction line. So that is the corner tool, and we have covered all the different options in this corner tool.